years we've been trying to figure out a way how to get our students at ECO involved in some kind of extracurricular or sports. Like San Fe and Capital, we don't have our traditional ball sports, basketball, baseball, football, track and field and all that. With our school, being that we have our trades programs, we started this Go Kart program, just trying to get our kids that are taking our classes that are totally into cars and welding, fabricating. So it was just one way to figure out how to get kids into mechanics and get them just outdoors and kicking butt on the go-karts and having a lot of fun. It's not only on the track racing, driving, but they also, we built the carts, we do all the maintenance on them. It's a lot of fun and the kids just have a blast.
Well, I didn't know how to change a clutch before, but like on a go-kart, and now I do, and now I could teach other kids and just how to do a whole bunch of other stuff. I never thought I would be able to learn something so cool, but yeah, here I am teaching it.
You show them the whole school at the beginning. They get to see what it would be like going here, and then like yesterday we took them all into the shops, got all the go-karts set up, and we just worked on them for all day. And it teaches them, this is how to use the tools, this is how to work on cars, and it's a very easy stepping stone into working on real cars.
Half of this Go Kart program, we do a AM PM group, and half of it is remote control cars. Our mechanics teacher, John Seymour, he has some really awesome RC cars.
What we've been doing is getting kids used to racing RC cars, and we're using two-wheel drive RC cars powered by 2S LiPo batteries. We're talking to them about the technology involved with the batteries, the technology involved with cars, and racing the cars. So they're learning how to control the cars, learning how to be good teammates, and kind of express good sportsmanship.
I've learned really how important it is to take care of the RC cars, to maintenance go-karts. I've learned how to drive a go-kart, and I've personally learned how to take care of things more than I used to.
My main goal is just really getting them outdoors and getting them off their phones and just having fun and meeting new friends and just having a blast out here.